Hey guys, this video is going to help you with one-step equations. So the goal when you solve for x, even if it's just a one-step equation, is to get x or the variable by itself. So whether your variable is x, y, a, b, whatever it is, you want it alone by itself on one side of the equation with the equals and then the number on the other side, and that number would just be your answer. In order to do this, you're going to perform the inverse operation, which is just fancy for doing the opposite operation. So if it's addition, you're going to do subtraction. If it's multiplication, you're going to do division. And if it's division, you're going to do multiplication. So inverse operation just means do the opposite. And then you're going to do that to both sides until the x is alone. Because this is a one-step equation, you're only going to do inverse operations one time. I like to make a little balance beam when I solve for x because it's a good reminder that whatever I do on this side, I have to do on this side, and I need to get x by itself on one side. All right, so I need to get x alone, but I have this annoying +4 tagged along with it. I need to figure out how to get rid of it. So I'm just going to do the opposite of +4. I'm going to -4. Oh, take that +4. If I do it on one side, I gotta do it on the other side to keep it balanced. So now these cancel out because 4 minus 4 is 0, so I'm left with x. 13 minus 4 is 9, and that's my answer. All right, same thing with this one. You're going to do inverse operations with multiplication. 2 times x equals 10. The opposite of multiplying would be dividing by 2, so I'm going to divide this by 2. And that would cancel out because that would be 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 times any number is just the same number. And if I do it to one side, I got to do it to the other side. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So answer would be 5. All right, this next example is going to help you with number 6 on your assignment. And I chose this one because sometimes kids get freaked out because this is a fraction, and fractions can be scary. But this is just fancy for x divided by 2 equals -4, which means that we can still do inverse operations. The opposite of dividing by 2 would be multiplying by 2. And if I multiply by 2, I am just going to get 1x, and 1 times any number would be the same number, so I'm left with x. If I do it on one side, I gotta do it on the other side. -4 times 2, -8, right? Let me just double check. I'm scared of making a mistake. So it's always okay to double check. Yeah, -8. All right, and that is your answer for number 6. If you guys have any questions, feel free to check in during your scheduled block on Google Meets, or you can always call, text, email at any time. See you later.